Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook Thai stir fry water spinach. It is simple, quick, delicious, and most importantly, the water spinach will not turn dark so quickly. For the ingredients, I have 450 grams of water spinach or kangkong, or in Thai we call it pak bung. Wash and clean. Use the young water spinach where possible. 5 cloves of garlic lightly crushed. 6 pieces of red bird eye chili. For this chili, I am not cutting it as it might be too spicy. If you love spicy, you can cut this in half. 3 tablespoons of cooking oil, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. All the ingredients are ready. Let's go and cook it. Heat the pan to medium to high heat. Add in all cooking oil and wait till the cooking oil is really hot. Add in all crushed garlic. Give it a stir. Then add in all bird eye chili and continue to stir until fragrant. This might take around 1 to 2 minutes. Be careful when frying the chili as it may cause the sneezing or coughing. The garlic and chili are ready and I'm removing it from the pan. Put it aside. After we have removed the garlic and the chili, we still have a lot of cooking oil which is really hot. Before frying the water spinach, please make sure that the oil in the pan must be really hot. Next, we are putting in the water spinach. Once the water spinach is in the pan, it cooks really fast. And we need to turn it to make sure all the water spinach cook evenly. Now we are adding in the fish sauce. Pour it down around the side of the pan. When fish sauce hits the hot pan, it gives out a nice fragrance and it will infuse into the water spinach. Add in the sugar. Give it a stir. We will stir it for just a couple of times until the water spinach is slightly soft. Once it is soft, it should be cooked. Oh, smells so good. Switch off the heat. When the water spinach is cooked, it tends to release a lot of gravy. Water spinach becomes darker in color with a lot of gravy, so we are going to remove the gravy. Now the cooked water spinach is dry, and we are adding in the fried garlic and chili. Give it a mix. And this should be served immediately once it's ready to enjoy the delicious and crunchy textures of stir-fry water spinach. Stir-fried water spinach like this is best eaten with white rice, hard-boiled eggs, and sambal belacan. Let's eat! Delicious. The water spinach is just cooked perfectly. It's vibrant in color and smells so fragrant from the fish sauce. It is perfect with rice. Thank you for watching. If you try this Thai style water spinach recipe, please let me know how it turns out. And please subscribe for more recipes like this. Thank you and bye bye.